पायलट और को पायलट को कॉकपिट में एंटर होने से पहले हर बार पढ़ना है. द मैसेज सेज फ्लाइंग इज अ सीरियस प्रोफेशन. डू नॉट कैरी योर वरीज बियॉन्ड दिस पॉइंट.
ओके.
क्योंकि हो सकता है पायलट को कोई पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है, हो सकता है कि नॉन ऑपरेशनल इश्यू उसके दिमाग में चल रहा है, बट ही हैज टू लीव ऑल दिस थिंग्स when he enters in the cockpit, because it's a question of 300 lives. It's a question of only performance and safety.
Correct.
So Payal has to forget this. The same way, I would say business is also a serious profession. So whenever we are talking about performance and safety of the business, these kind of the discomfort, if it happens also, one has to leave. But the most important part, according to me, there is an execution. See, idea anybody can have.
Yes.
आइडिया की कोई कमी नहीं है, लेकिन कमी है एग्जीक्यूशन की. सो एग्जीक्यूशन में कोच उनके साथ चलता है, ये सारी प्रोसेस में वो साथ चलता है. कोच ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कैप्चरिंग द कस्टमर इनकन्वीनियंस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस. दिस इज हाउ कोच कैन हेल्प.
Business has lot of uncertainties. There are opportunities, but there are risks too. There are intentions, there are goals, but you do not know the way out of it at times. You do not lack passion. What you lack is the exact direction. At times, you may feel that the growth is stagnant. You may feel that there is loss of direction. तब आपको एक सारथी की जरूरत होती है. जैसे कुरुक्षेत्र में अर्जुन के साथ थे श्री कृष्ण, वैसे ही आपके साथ आपके बिजनेस में भी आपको एक सारथी की जरूरत हो सकती है जो आपको बिजनेस में नेविगेट करे, आपको बिजनेस में ग्रोथ कोच की तरह मेंटोरशिप दे. दिस इज एन अमेजिंगली इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक एंड आई हैव इनवाइटेड श्री पराग भाई शाह ऑफ टेक टू कंसल्टेंसी, and I tell you that this is the relevant day because it's his 13th year of work experience, and today we are going to cover a lot of topics to understand that where exactly do an entrepreneur need a coach. Parag bhai, welcome to Growthpod Talk.
Thank you so very much, Ruchi ji.
It's a pleasure to host you today, and I am pretty sure that my questions are going to give answers to many of our viewers. They're going to have that tube light. कह रहे हाँ, ये तो हमें भी जरूरत है. Okay, all right. To begin with, Parag bhai.
Sure.
So, in your years of experience, what are the typical 3 main problems that you feel that an entrepreneurs face during their business growth?
Okay. Actually, the couple of problems are there. We'll focus on 3 common problems.
Okay.
And for that, I will tell you one story. In 2006, American automobile company Ford, they generated a loss of 17 billion USD. Now I am repeating the figure, 17 billion USD. And company was in a deep problem.
Okay.
And the share prices also went down drastically. So Henry Ford, who was looking after this company, he approached Alan Mulally, who was the CEO of Boeing company, and he wanted Alan to join Ford. Finally, Alan joined in the same year Ford, and in the beginning he started attending the leadership team meetings, and he was just observing the meetings. मीटिंग कुछ अटेंड करने के बाद एलन को लगा कि यहाँ पे डिस्कस तो बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. बहुत ही कम चीजें हैं जो हो रही है. सो ही told all the leadership team, and he implemented what he was doing in Boeing company. तो उनको फॉर्मेट सिंपल बता दिया कि अभी हमारी जो भी रिव्यू मीटिंग होगी लीडरशिप टीम की, एवरी लीडर विल कम विद द 5 टॉप प्रायोरिटीज ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट.
ओके.
और हर 5 प्रायोरिटी के सामने आपको ट्रैफिक सिग्नल की जो लाइट होती है, कोई भी एक लाइट देनी है. दैट मीन्स ग्रीन, ऑरेंज और रेड. एंड ही मेड इट ऑल्सो वेरी क्लियर, ग्रीन जब आप दोगे दैट मीन्स द प्रायोरिटी इज कंप्लीटेड.
Okay.
Orange means priority is not completed, but there are enough measures and the priority is going to be completed. So there is no problem. But the red means the real caution. The things are not going as per the plan or track, and immediate attention is required. So he said this, and it was a leadership team. So he continued attending the meeting. To his surprise, people started coming with the priorities, लेकिन हर priority के सामने green कलर ही था.
Oh.
So he was surprised and he asked the leaders that company is losing $17 billion and you are showing everything in green color. That means everything is done. This is not possible. Then the leaders, they came out with the reason that the previous boss, Henry Ford, he never allowed कि हम कुछ बताए कि ये चीज़ नहीं होने वाली है, नहीं हो रही है, dangerous situation में है. So he considered that as well as a bad news. And couple of leaders were fired also because of this.
Uh-oh.
He said, we are going to do as I told you, and next time all the leaders have to be very careful. So from the next meeting onward, what Alan observed, कि rainbow color start हो गए. That means different colors started, and the orange especially and the red one, उनका action change हो गया, उनका perception जो भी था, decision change हो गया. And entire thing started changing and company started moving back to the trend. This was the one of the thing Alan did. Finally, Alan left Ford in year 2014 and he joined Google.
Okay.
And in 2014, Ford reported a net profit of $7 billion US dollar.
Fabulous.
Now, this is known as a watermelon effect.
Okay.
See, watermelon is always green from outside, but when you cut it, then only you are going to see the red part. And many business owners, they feel and they see their business as a watermelon. सब कुछ green है, red देखने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, या तो अंदर कुछ red है ही नहीं है. So the crux of this particular story is the three. I am coming back to your question. Three common problems which I have observed over years of working in this particular segment. The number one problem is a lack of self-assessment.
Okay.
The business owner is not ready. Most of the business owner is not ready to do the proper self-assessment, the proper business self-assessment. The number two is a lack of proper reviews. अगर टीम है तो भी रिव्यूज नहीं हो रहे, और अगर टीम जो भी चीज़ें करती है उसको हम मेजर नहीं करते हैं तो इम्प्रूवमेंट का कहाँ सवाल ही नहीं आता है. And the third common problem, the most business is what I have observed, the lack of system and processes.
Okay.
सिस्टम कभी कभी बिजनेस ओनर मानता है कि मैं जो करूं वही सिस्टम है, मैं जो बोलूं वही प्रोसेस है. So these are the three common problems. This is what I have observed in my experience.
And this goes equally with any size of the company?
Irrespective of the company, that is the precise reason I gave you the example of the company like Ford.
Yes.
So whether it is a $1 billion
Very
company
big
or whether it is a 50 crore or a 10 crore, these three common problems are going to be there.
They
Most
exist.
of them.
This
Yeah.
watermelon effect exists everywhere.
Yes.
So how, as a coach, can you help them to identify that this watermelon needs to be broken down and red zone वाले matters को आपको पहले ध्यान में रखना है?
Very interesting. See, the coach can help, first of all, in identifying what is the customer's inconvenience. लेकिन कस्टमर का इनकन्वीनियंस जानने से पहले और उसके साथ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें कोच करता है. आई विल कम टू दैट पार्ट, बट लेट मी गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. Paytm, which is a very well-known company, and the founder of Paytm is Shekhar Gupta. Once Shekhar Gupta happened to be at the one shop retail place, and the shopkeeper was busy in selling and the customer were busy in buying. एक buyer ने UPI से transaction कर दिया और वो जाने लगा सामान लेके. Shopkeeper said, "Please wait. I just want to confirm whether your payment is received or not." So Shekhar was just observing. He came back and he was thinking about this thing, and after some time, Paytm launched Paytm Sound Box.
कौन सा था इतने रुपए प्राप्त हुए?
वो after we make the transaction, we hear this immediately.
Immediately.
So another thing, in year 2025, Paytm generated, they are taking only 50 rupees monthly subscription for this sound box. In 2025, they generated 1,200 crore revenue only from this sound box.
Oh, that's whopping number.
Absolutely. So this is what I am talking about, capturing customer inconvenience even before customer is telling, even before customer feel that this is my inconvenience.
That is the inconvenience.
Even before that.
Right.
So कोच का काम है पहले तो बिजनेस मॉडल को समझना, इंडस्ट्री को ध्यान में रखते हुए उनके बिजनेस गोल क्या है, उनकी स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है, उनका एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान क्या है, और ये एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान में क्या गैप्स आ रहे हैं.
ओके.
एंड इंपॉर्टेंटली गैप्स दो तरीके से ढूंढने हैं, मार्केट गैप्स एज वेल एज द कंपनी गैप्स. जहाँ पे रीवर्क की ज़रूरत है, वेदर इट इज़ अ स्ट्रेटेजी, वेदर इट इज़ अ एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट, वो रीवर्क करना है. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दैट इज़ एन एग्जीक्यूशन. See, idea anybody can have.
Yes.
आइडिया की कोई कमी नहीं है, लेकिन कमी है एग्जीक्यूशन की. सो एग्जीक्यूशन में कोच उनके साथ चलता है, ये सारी प्रोसेस में वो साथ चलता है. कोच ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कैप्चरिंग द कस्टमर इनकन्वीनियंस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस. दिस इज हाउ कोच कैन हेल्प.
सो आइडेंटिफाइंग द गैप्स, उसके ऊपर एक्सपेंशन करने में भी उनकी हेल्प होती है, एंड इवन हेल्पिंग देम इमोशनली.
Emotionally भी आएगा. Absolutely, absolutely. It is going to be a part. That is a very, very important thing, but it is going to be a part because always everything, emotion is going to be there.
Lovely. Okay, lovely. So then I have a question, that if the suggestions that you give are not so comforting, they can create a lot of discomfort to the founder, then what?
This is a very common thing, and actually, I would say I'm using the word, but the pain only we can feel about this discomfort which business owner feels.
So you as a coach, you can also feel that pain.
Absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely. Okay, when you happen to fly through Indigo Airlines, if you have not visited, please visit their front toilet, not
Okay.
backside, front
Okay,
toilet.
okay.
फ्रंट टॉयलेट के बिल्कुल बाजू में कॉकपिट का गेट है और उसके ऊपर एक स्टिकर लगाया है एक मैसेज के साथ इंडिगो ने. और ये मैसेज पायलट और को पायलट को कॉकपिट में एंटर होने से पहले हर बार पढ़ना है. द मैसेज सेज, फ्लाइंग इज अ सीरियस प्रोफेशन, डू नॉट कैरी योर वरीज बियॉन्ड दिस पॉइंट.
ओके.
क्योंकि हो सकता है पायलट को कोई पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है, हो सकता है कि नॉन ऑपरेशनल इश्यू उसके दिमाग में चल रहा है, बट ही हैज टू लीव ऑल दिस थिंग्स when he enters in the cockpit, because it's a question of 200 300 lives. It's a question of only performance and safety.
Correct.
So Payal has to forget this. The same way, I would say business is also a serious profession. So whenever we are talking about performance and safety of the business, these kind of the discomfort, if it happens also, one has to leave. Business owner को वो छोड़ देना चाहिए. And during the process, actually what happens, business owner ये journey जो है, he starts enjoying. He or she starts enjoying. So ये discomfort वैसे भी छूट जाता है. Beginning में you gave an example of Mahabharat, so let me quote one example of Mahabharat as far as the reskilling is concerned. See, महाभारत में पांडवों ने भी अज्ञातवास किया था और वो अज्ञातवास 1 साल का था जिनमें उनको पकड़े नहीं जाना था.
Yes.
I will give you a few example very quickly. अर्जुन, macho man, महाधनुर्धर, लेकिन वो अज्ञातवास में क्या कर रहा था? He was a dance teacher. That was a reskilling. Draupadi, she was a queen, but here she was serving as a servant. That was again a reskilling. Bhim, जो सबसे ज्यादा खाता था, सबसे पहले खाता था, during this अज्ञातवास he became a cook. सबको पहले खिलाता था, पकाता था और उसके बाद में खाता था. So that was a reskilling. युधिष्ठिर को भी reskilling करना पड़ा. In fact, he had a slap on his face by King Virat for telling the truth. But this is the part of reskilling, and reskilling is very important. Every business owner has to remember that the king is not going to remain king always. If reskilling is not done, the king is not going back. If he is not, then again he will be sent back to the jungle like
True.
Pandavas. That was a worry for the Pandavas. So reskilling is very important. But as I told you, during the process, business owner also starts enjoying this
Enjoying
process.
it. Discomfort छूट जाते हैं.
Yeah.
ओके, सो हमने जब बात की महाभारत, पांडव्स, फैमिली कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स भी होते हैं, घर की बातें कभी कभी बिजनेस तक पहुंच जाती है, बिजनेस के ऑपरेशंस में भी इम्पैक्ट होता है. क्या आप एज कोच उनको सॉल्व कर सकते हो?
आंसर इज यस. ये कन्फ्लिक्ट आप बोलो, ये प्रॉब्लम बोलो, इसको सॉल्व करना ही पड़ता है. एंड इट इज बाउंड टू बी देयर, एंड इट्स अ कॉमन फिनोमेना. Especially what I have observed, when the second generation entering into the family business, तो dispute होने के या तो मनमुटाव होने के chances ज़्यादा है. It is very simple how to avoid this.
Okay.
And always I discuss this with the first generation and the second generation. First generation पहले, that you make the boundaries very clear. That this is my responsibility, this is your responsibility. This is my budget, this is your budget. और सेकेंड जनरेशन का जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बजट है, 1 ईयर का फिक्स्ड प्लान कर लो, उसे KPI KRA में ब्रेक डाउन कर डालो, एंड यू टेल हिम और हर, नाउ यू हैंडल. बट व्हाट आई सजेस्ट देम बिफोर द सेकेंड जनरेशन एंटर इनटू द बिजनेस, प्लीज टेल देम टू कंप्लीट द इंटर्नशिप. नाउ व्हाट इज द इंटर्नशिप? better he or she works in another company at least for 1.5 or 2 years. If first generation says नहीं यार मेरा तो 500 करोड़ का, मेरा तो 100 करोड़ का कंपनी है, बाहर काम कैसे करेंगे, नहीं करना है ऐसा, तो क्या अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव है? ठीक है, हमारी कंपनी में डिपार्टमेंट्स है, वो डिपार्टमेंट में लेट हिम वर्क फॉर फ्यू वीक्स, सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट में कुछ हफ्ते काम करे, ऑपरेशन में कुछ हफ्ते काम करे, मार्केटिंग में कुछ हफ्ते काम करे, लेट हिम गेट द फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस एंड दैट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. उसके बाद में आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी,
एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाता है.
एब्सोल्युटली, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Do you at times feel that the founders themselves also become a problem for their own business growth?
Mostly, I would say.
Oh, that's the story, is
The
it?
reason also I will tell, because they do not want to release the control and power.
Okay.
The moment they start releasing slowly and gradually, I'm not telling that 100% हमको release करना है एक साथ, but slowly and gradually, the moment if I am a first generation, if I am releasing that control and power, the second generation will have that ample opportunity, ample field to grow, to use his own mind. Otherwise, today's second generation, that is the precise reason बहुत सारे बिजनेस में, फैमिली बिजनेस में वो कंटिन्यू
नहीं करते,
कंटिन्यू नहीं करता. करने के बाद या तो आपने बोला ऐसे ज्वाइन
नहीं करते.
So most of the time, founder is responsible.
That. Okay, my next question to you is, can a coach help very, very small scale business entrepreneurs like freelancers or solo entrepreneurs who are still working from home?
Answer is of course yes.
Okay.
See, size is not important. But in these kind of the scenario, solopreneur should have few qualities. And these qualities definitely, before joining the hands, I make it very clear that this is what I look forward.
Okay.
तो ये क्या है वो मैं ब्रीफ में बता दूं. First of all, solopreneur should have a hunger for growth. ये भूख होनी चाहिए. यानी भूख यानी ऐसा कि मैं कैलाश पर्वत पे बैठा हुआ शिवा नहीं हूँ, मुझे आंखें बंद करके बैठा है, दुनिया से कट ऑफ हो गया. There is no hunger on कैलाश पर्वत.
True.
तो मेरे पास वो हंगर होनी चाहिए. कैलाश पर्वत से उतर के आप देखो, पार्वती माता शंकर भगवान को काशी में लाते हैं और वहां पे शंकर भगवान की आंखें खुली मिलेगी आपको, बिकॉज काशी इज अ मार्केट प्लेस. वहां पे भूख है, वहां पे कंपटीशन है, वहां पे डीलिंग हो रही है. सो वो भूख होनी चाहिए नंबर 1.
Okay.
Solopreneur should ready to accept the change, and for these kind of the changes there are going to be push from the coach. तो वो push जो है वो bear करना भी, वो इतना पेशेंस होना चाहिए. सो इफ द पर्सन इज हैविंग दैट हंगर, पेशेंस, मुझे एक्स्ट्रा पुश चाहिए, ऑन द कॉन्ट्री आई विल बी आस्किंग 5 more questions. In that case, coach definitely can help.
Lovely.
Absolutely, there is no doubt about it.
So anybody who really wants growth, even with the turnover sense, like मुझे मेरा टर्नओवर 10x बढ़ाना है, मुझे मेरे एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स करने हैं, मुझे मेरे ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी बढ़ानी है, जैसे मुझे SOPs चाहिए, मुझे फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल लॉन्च करना है. इन सब में एक बिजनेस कोच, आपके जैसे बिजनेस कोच कैन हेल्प an entrepreneur besides handling the family conflicts which actually hampers the business growth as
बिल्कुल.
well. So emotional हो गया, commercial side हो गया, यानी operational side हो गया, everything. That's what a mentor do. पराग जी, ये सब जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो मुझे एट टाइम्स ये भी फील होता है कि कोई फाउंडर्स ऐसे भी होंगे कि जिनको ये पता भी नहीं है कि दे नीड अ कोच, रादर दे स्टे इन दैट जोन कि मैं फाउंडर हूँ, मुझे मेरे बिजनेस की सबसे ज्यादा पता होती है, कोच आके मुझे क्या सिखा देंगे. Does that happen?
This has happened, and in fact during the first meeting I can read in the body language this question if they are not expressing.
Okay.
And at times business owner directly or indirectly they express this thing.
Okay.
I will give you another one example or story.
Okay.
World War II. So this is a story from World War II. War time था. And American Air Force aircraft, they were facing a lot of problem. That means the Air Force aircrafts were shut down. They were not coming back with a high mortality rate of pilot.
Okay.
Economically वो possible नहीं था, including यानी कि US के लिए भी वो possible नहीं था. So सब चीफ, आर्मी चीफ, नेवी चीफ, एयरफोर्स चीफ और दूसरे जो भी कर्नल से लेफ्टिनेंट है इकट्ठे हुए, एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम कि क्या किया जाए. इट्स अ हाई टाइम. सो दे सजेस्टेड कि हमारा जो एयरक्राफ्ट है वो सब पूरे पोर्शन में उसे हम एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन लगा देते हैं. सो दे आस्क्ड द इंजीनियर दैट इज पॉसिबल. इंजीनियर सेड एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन तो हम लगा सकते हैं, बट दैट इज गोइंग टू हैम्पर द एफिकेसी the flying speed and everything. So this is not feasible. So then they thought, let us study again. उन्होंने एक्चुअली रुचि जी स्टडी किया, वो एयरक्राफ्ट जो है उनके फोटोग्राफ्स लिए जो वापस आए थे. What they found that in the 3 areas there are maximum bullet marks, and these 3 areas are the side of the wings, the tail side, और जो बॉडी होती है सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी, ये 3 जगह पे मैक्सिमम बुलेट मारते हैं. सो दे सेड कि खाली ये 3 पार्ट को हम एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन कर दें. Engineer said we can do this because we are not covering entire aircraft.
Correct.
So they did it, and they thought that okay, the problem is solved. And war was of course continued. उसके लिए तो कुछ रुका हुआ नहीं था. But the problem remained same.
Okay.
Surprisingly, that means again the aircraft was, most of the aircrafts were not coming back with the high mortality rate of pilots.
Okay.
So now they were in puzzle. And then entered Abraham Wald. Can you believe? He was not from the army, he was not lieutenant, he was not from any wing. He was a Jewish mathematician.
Oh, okay.
So he came and they explained, he studied. उन्होंने बोला आपने क्या डायग्नोसिस किया? बोले हमने ये किया है, गिव मी सम टाइम. सब कुछ मटेरियल लिया और वो चले गए. एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम ही केम बैक. ही सेड वी नीड टू डू समथिंग एल्स. बोले कि दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी डिड दैट वाज रॉन्ग. बोला आई एम सॉरी बट इट इज रॉन्ग.
Okay.
क्या करना है? आपने जो 3 पोर्शन में लगाए हैं एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन वो निकाल दो, एंड यू लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट. बाकी के जो 3 पोर्शन है जहाँ पे बुलेट के मार्क्स है नहीं, वहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन लगा दो. सो इवन जो एयरफोर्स के चीफ थे वो बोले दिस साउंड्स क्रेजी. व्हाट इज द रीजन? हम लगा तो रहे लेकिन व्हाट इज द रीजन? बोले बुलेट्स मार्क मैक्सिमम है फिर भी एयरक्राफ्ट वापस आए. That means these are the areas,
safest zone.
Absolutely.
Okay.
वो बेयर कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
बाकी के जो 3 पोर्शन है वहां पे बुलेट्स लगी होगी और वो 3 एरिया वाले तो एयरक्राफ्ट वापस ही नहीं आए. So you don't have the photograph also. उसे ट्राई करके देखो. They did it and the problem was solved.
Awesome.
After this incident, this was known as a survivorship bias, and you can Google this word, you will find this entire incident.
Okay.
Business also survivorship bias happens. It is bound to happen. But outside perspective is very, very important. When you are in a deep problem, something is bothering as far as the business is concerned. Even sometimes a personal problem is also concerned. You go to your learned family member. You go to your learned friend. Ask. And as far as the business is concerned, you go to the coach and ask. Even the business coach also helps in personal things also, because it is going to be a part and parcel.
Yes, it's a part.
Because in the beginning also you said about emotional part. So coach can help because this is going to be an outside perspective. Of course, as a coach, I am not saying that I am Abraham Wald. At the same time, business owners are also not the army chief.
Warriors.
They are also not the army chief.
Right.
But based on the experience and based on the expertise, definitely outside perspective works most of the time.
Most of it brings fresh perspective.
Fresh.
And the new way to look.
Yes.
True. Audience, I feel that a coach is truly a navigator in an entrepreneur's life, because that's not only the business, but anything and everything that matters in your business is what a coach helps and navigates you, just like a true Sarthi. Okay, so now Parag bhai, I'm going to take you towards a rapid fire round. A rapid fire round is where you will be asked a question and you have to rapidly answer me in somewhere around 15-20 seconds.
Okay.
Good to go?
Yeah.
All right. So the first question is, what is growth in your terms?
Every day, just 1% improvement in what we do.
One red flag in a company that suppresses growth.
Actually, micromanagement becomes a bottleneck for the founder. Don't try to become a superhero fighting with 20 people, because business is not a movie.
Business is not a movie. True that. Organization with hierarchies or unorganized firm. Who needs growth coach more?
Organization with hierarchy, of course.
Okay, all right. A life lesson that you learned in a hard way, but you wouldn't want others to face it.
Oh. Okay. Matches kabhi na maango.
Okay.
Always ask for the lighter. If I ask for the lighter, probably you will think that I am going to light up a cigarette. लेकिन अगर मैं माचिस मांगूंगा तो आप सोचोगे कि ये अभी बीड़ी जलाए.
Okay.
औकात और इमेज की ये दुनिया है.
Perception का खेल है.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Lovely. Parag bhai, I had an amazing time discussing business growth. It has broadened up certain kind of perspective for me as an entrepreneur as well. And I hope that this would have been the same with the audience, that you would have opened up the perception about yourself and how you yourself can also be a hindrance in your growth. So if you're finding any kind of certain problems that we have discussed today, you need to reach to Shri Parag Bhai Shah of Take Two Consultancy. And I tell you that he is going to mentor you in every aspect of life. On that note, Parag Bhai, thank you so much for coming here and expressing your views on business growth coaching. Viewers, if you have liked this content, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, because I would love to see lot of comments pouring in and knowing if you have loved this show. Thank you so much. Keep coming back.